Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be covering KSM, otherwise known as Kusama, and I'm going to go in depth in terms of where exactly the project's heading to, if it's a safe buy, and where exactly price will be heading to. So jumping onto the monthly time frame, here you can clearly see it's been completely horrific, completely had a massive upsurge to that peak around that $600 mark. You can see there it went up to around $625 on the dot before completely dumping, even going below the even starting price. You can see here it went to low around that $17 mark. So where exactly price is heading to, I'm going to be covering all these right now. So I'm going to be highlighting all these key levels. There's a key resistance level here, there's another key resistance level here, and there is a major support over here which turns into resistance and then completely went back down to these levels. So at the moment, is it a safe buy or is it not? Well, it is completely up to you. So at the moment, you can see what it needs to do at the moment. On the monthly, it needs to break this little minor level of resistance over here. You can see here around that $67 mark. If it does so, there is a good chance of it going back up to around this $193 level mark before going up to that $400 mark. But this needs to play out. The candle needs to finish above this region around that $67 mark here before going up towards these regions over here. So just be aware of what exactly is going on. So as I said, right now is completely range. If I remove these right now and head over to the hourly time frame, you can see here, if I zoom out, you can see this region that I'm going to be highlighting here. There is this massive region where it is ranging between that $25 to a $35 mark, and it's been raging for quite some time. It's been raging since around the start of Aprilish, so it has been ranging all this time. If this region is broken here, there is a good chance of it going up to these peaks over here, where there is another minor range happening over here as well. So just be aware, there is that massive drop that happened in the start of April where it did drop from around $40 to around $35. So just be aware of what's going on. So this major range over here has to be broken in order for it to go up or go down. But at the moment, you can literally see it is bouncing between that $25 mark to around that $35 mark as well. Removing this again, going into the daily time frame, you can see where you want to place your position. So at the moment it's around $30, but again, as I mentioned, there is that minor range over here where it's bouncing between that $25 to $35 mark. So at the moment it is pretty shifty around here. What needs to happen, it needs to break in order for it to go up or down. So just be aware of what exactly is going on. Jumping into the weekly time frame, again removing all this as well and resetting the chart. Exactly what I said before, it doesn't look great at all. There was a massive surge and then completely doubled over here. There was this triple top pattern formed over here around that $500 mark, where you can see here there was those patterns formed over here before that complete plummet all the way down to this region here. And at the moment there is no indication for you to completely buy or even completely sell off your positions at the moment. Of course, hopefully you did take your profits around here, and there isn't really much news happening with Kusama at the moment as well. So if you do want to play short term, just be aware of this range happening down here. Just make sure this range is broken in order for you to see these levels over here. You can see these levels around that $200 region. This needs to be broken in order for it to happen, but hopefully it does do that. At the moment it is back to where it was at the start, around that $15 mark. So just be aware of what's going on. Hopefully there is some pickup on this project and there is a upwards to this project as well. So guys, that's just a quick update in terms of where this project is heading to. Hopefully it does well. If so, hopefully these regions play out as well. So just be aware of what's going on, and hopefully this video helped as well. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below as well to let me know what you think about this project, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.